szukamy czegoś po lewej stronie zaparkowania. Może przed niebieskim od razu spróbujemy? Między niebieskim i drugi chyba też niebieski. No, dla mnie wymusiłeś pierwszeństwo na samochodzie sprzeciwka i bym cię oblał za to. Mogę. No, you have a car from opposite side. Yes, he must stop because you park.
I must stop. Okay.
You turn left. Yes, you cross his direction.
Okay. I thought I could park before he.
Of course you can, but I think still you have a chance to stop and give him way and then go.
Okay.
You rush, yes. Okay, go back and right. Tak, jedziemy do tyłu w prawo. And believe me, we turn right here on the red. But okay, you escape, no problem. But always you risk when you have a
Trunk.
learning car on the first position.
Like me.
And it's the best when you stop on the green.
Okay. I got it.
And when you control lights.
Because they take longer.
It's normal. Yes. W światłach pod wiaduktem będzie rondo i na tym rondzie będziemy zawracali.
This line?
Masz egzamin.
Yet. No.
I teraz na najbliższym skrzyżowaniu w prawo pojedziemy. Na tamtym skrzyżowaniu co najwyżej mogę skręcić w prawo. Yes, you can only turn left. Yes, on this on this last roundabout, you cannot make a U-turn from this middle line. But okay, no, you not do anything wrong. Of course, you not go follow my orders, but still you have a chance to pass this exam. Na najbliższych światłach w lewo. Na najbliższym skrzyżowaniu sygnalizacja światła. Jedź prosto, nie możesz tego prosto skręcić. You must go straight, because you choose line to go straight. You have there another line to turn left, but you choose. And when you try to use wrong line to go to turn left, prefer that. Jedziemy prosto. Sorry, I must stop. You don't have a way, you have a signs to give way. Tak? Ustąpić pierwszeństwo, powinnaś mieć znaki. Okay, now maybe before this one, if you want, you can go. I na rondzie chcę pojechać prosto. Czyli drugi wyjazd. No. A na tym rondzie bym chciał zawrócić. Zawrócić. Sorry, but you must use this line. You cannot be on the left line.
So we'll go straight. I
Yes.
thought zawróć, U-turn.
Yes, you understand, okay, but you choose right line. And when you wanna, not try to, maybe try to pass change line. But change to the end, and then you see, we don't rush. I jedziemy prosto na światłach. Do you see this white car? Jeżeli chcesz zawrócić, if you want to make U-turn, you must always use left line. But the same way you come back to this.
I thought she's gonna make it easier for me.
You see, this line don't have
Yes,
a future.
yes.
And always when you want to make U-turn, maximum left line. Not me. You have 2 lines to turn left, but you have only 1 line always to make U-turn. Maybe 2 times in my life I saw more lines to make U-turn.